Hi Holly! This is just a little help for you to start off Reflections by Daniel McFarlane. We went over this afternoon the right hand. Now pause this video, go and get your piece, go get the sheet music and have a look at it. Okay, so you'll see that we've got 3 beats in every bar. The time signature is 3/4, and the key signature has a F sharp. So that means that every F you see in the piece will be an F sharp. So we had a look this afternoon at the right hand. Have a look at the music. You'll see that the 5th finger of the right hand, the little pinky, must be on the B. And that will put your 3rd finger on the G, and your 2nd finger must play the F sharp, and your 1st finger must play the E. So get yourself into that position, because that's pretty much where you're going to stay for the whole piece. The notes are B, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, G. So have a look at them on the sheet. Have a look at them on the sheet music. You've got 6 quavers for the 3 beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now I'm going to put the video. I'm going to put my screen down so I film my fingers, because I really want you to play on the tips of your fingers. So can you see that? So I'd like you to try and avoid this. Playing with your fingers a little bit flat and sort of collapsing the articulation of your finger. So that's not what we want. I want you to try and take some care to keep a good position for your right hand. Now we can play with the pedal on, which is fun. That's nice. Okay, now, so like we talked about in class, your left hand is going to jump around a little bit. So you need to look now at your piano, and the first notes that you'll play in the left hand are the E's, and you want to play the 2nd E from the bottom, then 1 E 1 octave above that, and then you're going to play the next E just above where your right hand is. So it's going to cross over your right hand, and you play that with your little finger, and you play the next octave up with your thumb. So the notes would sound like this. And like we talked about in class, since you're using the pedal, you don't have to hold the fingers down. You can apply the pressure on the pedal, and you can just kind of, you can touch those notes and they'll still sound for you. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll try and show you down here. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to come up here, still with my left hand. Okay. So when I put that with the right hand, it's very pretty. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now the next thing you'll do is play, have a look at your sheet music and you'll see that the next notes for the left hand are B's. So they will be B, 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 B. But you still have the right hand doing. So together that will make. And then you'll go back to your E's. And then you go back to your B's. Okay, and that's enough for your first week of practice. Be a little bit careful with the pedal. I want you to have a look at the music. Have a look at the music, and you'll see at bar 5 that the pedal mark, it goes along. You'll see PED at the beginning, and it goes along. There's a line that goes along, long. And when you get to the first B in the left hand, there's a little like that, and that tiny little mountain there, that means that's the moment when your foot is going to release the pressure on the pedal and go straight back down again. You did a really lovely job of that in the Lady Eleanor piece, so I'm sure you'll be fine with it. You've just got to know when to release the pressure and to put it back on, and the time to do that is when you hit the first beat. Must not play G sharp.